So we have question, visualize 4.67 bar, 4.67 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal place. Okay, so 4.67 is nothing but 4.6767 and so on, right? So we understood this will come under between 4 and 5, right? So here is the number line. This is 4, this is, doesn't matter. Okay, so 4.6. So if we divide this 4 and 5 in 10 parts, we will have, in between we will have 4.5, then we will have 4.6, okay, then 4.7, then 4.8, then 4.9. okay, here we will have 4.4, 4.3, 4.2 and 4.1. okay, now we know this will come, this is 4.6, the 4.6 is this one, so it's bigger than 4.67. okay, now we understood that this number will lie between 4.6 and 4.7. okay, somewhere here after 4.6, somewhere here it will lie, right? So we will make a zoom here, this is it lie between this, right? So we will do this. So again we will draw number line. okay, so this number line is between 4.6, this is like zoom, right? 4.6 and 4.7. okay, now we need to find another number. So we will, after 4.6 and 4.7, what we have in between, we will have 4.65, right? 4.66, 4.67, 4.68, 4.69. Here we will have 4.64, 4.63, 4.62 and 4.61. okay, now we need to find 4.67. so we 4.667 is this. okay, this is 4.67, but the number is after that we have 6 also, right? So that means the number will be greater than 4.67. So 4.67, so that number lies between these two, right? So we will make again zoom. okay, we will it will lie between 4.67 and 4.68. so we will make again zoom, right? This one, this is like zoom, huh? So this is again number line. okay, this is 4.67 and this is 4.68. okay, so in between we will have 4.675, right? Now again we will have 4.676, then we will have 4.677, then we will have 4.678, then we will have 4.679, then 4.68, right? Similarly this side 4.674, then we will have 4.673, 4.672 and 4.71. okay, now the we need to find till 4 digit, till this digit we need to find. We are at third digit. So where is the number? We have 4.676. This one, this is 4.676 and this is 4.677. so 4.676. now we need to find one more number, so that number is greater than this but lesser than 7, huh? So this will lie between here. Again we are making zoom. So this is 4.676 and this is 4.67. what is that? 7. Okay. So we have now we need to find. So here we will have 4.6765 between the middle point, huh? Then we will have 4.6 766. Same way we will have 4.6769. Okay, this is this one. Now we need same way we can write here also. Now the another we need to find, we have third digit 676, that next digit is 7, so we need to that 7, where is 7, this is 5, this is 6, right? Here is 4.6767. Okay, this point, and we will have 4.6768. So that number will lie here, that number will lie here. So we will draw again here. So this is 4.67. What is that? Here means this is 5. 4.676. Another number 7. 7 and 4.6768. So number is, now we have number 4.6767, then bar means it's greater than this number, so this number lies between these 2 points. So we have next numbers, so this number will lie 4.6767, so this will be 4.67675, and next number is and then the next is 4.676, 4.67676. So the number lies between here, between 4.6766 and this number 4.67677. The number lies between here, so we need to just mark this number. This is the answer. Just you need to write, it will lies at the between these 2 points. That is the answer. Okay.